my experience was overwhelming. It was amazing. It was intense. It was exceeded by far my expectations of what I was going to get out of it, both just knowledge, but also physically for my own self. So I had a pretty profound detox feeling on day 4 of that class, where I was really sick and I was freaked out. I mean, I called Shannon and I said, "Can you come to my house? I think I'm really sick." And so she came over and she assured me that everything that I was experiencing was fully through the lymphatic drainage, which we had done that session that day, full body lymph drainage, which I wasn't expecting to learn, to be honest. When I was reading the course information, I was like, oh, I'm just going to learn how to do this and this and this. And then when she said, no, we're going to learn the full body lymph drainage, I was like, oh, okay, cool. And then when I had it done on me, it was profound. It was intense. I mean, I had fevers, I had chills, I had body aches. I felt like I was on fire. So much heat came out of my joints, came out of my body into my lymph drainage. I felt like I was detoxing. It was intense. And she just told me, go to sleep for 10 hours, wake up tomorrow. We had a final the next day. I had to take a test. I was hopefully ready for that. But she said, just go to sleep. And I said, okay. So I went to sleep and I woke up the next day and I felt like I could run a marathon. It was amazing. The feeling I had, my skin, my colon was so cleaned out that it was life-changing.